This is Robert from DSP Plug. What if electromagnetism was something that could propel a car? Hello, this is Robert from DSP Plug. I had an interesting idea regarding propulsion, cars, and what have you. And that is to say that if there were, like, let's say in concrete, um, an electromagnet, um, a battery would not have to be very strong, but if it were emitting a signal, it would certainly be plausible to have vehicles such as cars and trucks for both the sake of passengers and freight and trains um, to be exerting magnetic influence which repelled against these electromagnets, probably like square mile in a form of a grid. And I guess what would be necessary is in either analog or digital signal processing format would be an altimeter so as to decide the level, um, the balance of the vehicle in question, and then that force exerted would quite easily repel, send somebody on a road to speeds exceeding 100 kilometers per hour. I think, to be honest, the engine is just a thing of the past, and ideas like this, I think, have taken root in carnivals and park rides. I think a few times this mechanism has been utilized, so there's nothing to suggest that the same thing couldn't work again. Lightning could definitely strike twice in this aspect. And if say you're an environmentalist, that's very good news. Less waste, um, and of course, more innovation in the way of physical looks, mod kits, body kits, chrome, and what have you, so as to go on the body of your vehicle. Um, the looks would be undeniably endless, and certainly could reduce, especially the amount of steel being used in automobiles. Bye bye.